Good morning, everyone. How are you today? It's a snowy morning here in the southern part of Japan. Snow is very rare in this part. So let's walk with me and talk with me in this snowy road. So the road is very slippery, so I must be very careful while walking. So you can hear the sound of the snow on the roadside. While I'm walking on the snow, the sound is like something like crunchy sound. The temperature is like -1 is right now. Quite very cold, I would say. The snow is at the top of the trees. Look at this. The roof of the house has become so white. Look at this. It looks beautiful actually. All the cars are moving very slowly because you know if they walk a little bit faster, then it might be steep. So the number one tips to walk on the snow or slowly. So if you walk slowly, then you can avoid the accidents or if you are not used to walk on the snow, then it will be very dangerous. You might fall in it. Always be careful while walking on the snow. Don't make a rush. Well, if you are in a hurry, then you can do it a little bit faster than usual, but you know what, some places there might be not so snow. So for example, right now I'm walking in this part is not so much snow, so I can walk a little bit faster than the snowy part because of the sun. It is already melted. Temperature is a little bit higher right now. I think it is 2 degrees, +2 degrees or something. Well, it's not so higher, but anyway, in the morning it was like -2 or -4 degrees. So right now it is a little bit better. Look at this Yamazaki pan. They carry the bread. Very famous brand, and that truck is very popular among the kids in Japan. So they try to collect the model of that truck in their toys. Yeah, this is icy road. You see, snow has become ice here, and it is extremely dangerous, extremely slippery. Here I must walk very slowly, otherwise I may fall down anytime. So you see I am walking very slowly here, very carefully. Let's move a little bit right, then it you see the sound of the road is a little bit different than the other side. It means that, and those part the snow has already become icy due to the tire and the okay, I found little bit good condition here. So look at this part. Yeah, I must be very careful because one car is coming. This place is the most dangerous icy curve. I cannot even move quickly here. Look at this car. He is doing so early. I don't know. Look at the beautiful. The ice are just stored on the leaves. I like this plants when during the ice time. Look at this. It's so beautiful. All the way down to the hills. Look at this car. It is covered with snow. You cannot drive this type of car right now. Oh, I just slipped. Must be very, very careful here. Otherwise I might fall down. Oh, look at this field. Let me show you. Yeah, this is one baseball field and it is all covered with the white snow. Usually a lot of students are playing here, but I think they cannot play today. Last night I saw some students are playing soccer even on the top of the snow. I have never imagined like how it could be, because it is so slippery on the hard surface like concrete or this pavement, but I'm not sure how it feels on the soft ground like the soccer field or the baseball field. I have never tried playing on the snow like those type of sports. Sometimes I play with like snowboard or some like making snowman, but I have never tried with this before. So yeah, that's all actually. This is our condition of the whole road. So thank you very much for staying with me and hope to see you again. Bye bye.